Unlock the power of might in mixed conditionals. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting lesson on modal verbs in English. Today, we'll be exploring a specific area of grammar, using might in mixed conditionals. It might seem tricky at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of this interesting language feature. Before we dive into the main topic, let's take a moment to refresh our understanding of mixed conditionals. A mixed conditional sentence is a combination of the second and third conditional forms. These sentences express an unreal past condition and its probable result in the present. For instance, if I had studied harder, unreal past condition, I might be in a university now, probable present result. Next, let's delve into the core of our topic, the role of might in mixed conditionals. Might is a modal verb that we often use in conditional sentences to express a possibility or probability. In mixed conditionals, might is used in the main clause to indicate an outcome that is possible but not certain. For example, if she had woken up earlier, unreal past condition, she might not be late for work, probable present result. In this sentence, the speaker isn't sure whether waking up earlier would have prevented her from being late, but there's a possibility. It's important to differentiate between might and would in conditional sentences. While both express an unreal situation, might implies less certainty compared to would. Example with would: if I had taken the bus, unreal past condition, I would be there by now, certain present result. Example with might: if I had taken the bus, unreal past condition, I might be there by now, possible but not certain present result. That brings us to the end of our exploration of using might in mixed conditionals. Remember, might is a fantastic word to express possibilities and probabilities in English. So, don't shy away from using it in your conversations. Practice making sentences using might in mixed conditionals, and you'll soon get the hang of it. We hope this lesson has been helpful to you. Until next time, keep practicing and improving your English.